Wake up. It's Christmas.
Oh my gosh, it's Christmas. I can't wait. I can't wait. So where's my presents, Granny?
I hid them all. You gotta go find them.
Okay. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Let's look somewhere else because they're not in the cabinets. Let's try over here. I found one. Okay. Come on, Granny, sit down. I want you to sit by me when I open my presents. Okay. Let's start on this side.
You like them, sweetie?
A drink Sprite?
I got thirsty last night. I'm sorry. I just tried. I'm an old lady. Try.
Whatever. Some panties?
They're very colorful. I thought you might like them.
Two socks that someone has already worn?
It's not what the lady at the store said.
And the worst of all, a bra?
You need it. Trust me, you will. I got a special made so it'll fit you perfectly. Try it on. Come on. You make this old lady happy.
Oh, yep, it really fits.
It's beautiful, aren't you, sweetie? I'm glad you like it.
I don't like it. This is the worst Christmas ever.
You're very welcome, sweetie.
What is this? You really got an iPad for $300 to $400 and you got me panties, a bra, a can of Sprite, drank Sprite, nothing in it, and some worn socks.
I'm trying, okay? You're really making me feel bad.
What a baby. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone.